friends, wake up. Happy Sunday to you all. What are y'all doing? Getting ready for church? Y'all know I hadn't been live all week because I've been cruising on the ship to get here. Super, super, super fun. Just wanted to check in. Just wanted to check in. I can't get all the way in because I got a backpack on my back and we not trying to get all those dollar bills wet. And plus I see like some swordfish. Let me see if I can change y'all so y'all can see what this water look like. Okay, look at them little fishes in there. It's a sword. There you go, right there. I ain't getting in there with no swordfishes. Okay, I'm brave, but I ain't that brave. Happy Sunday, y'all. I just wanted to go live and show y'all from the Bahamas and what the water looks like over here. Done a little shopping. Tomorrow is my de-embarkation day, so we will be preparing to go back to the port of Miami tomorrow. But welcome in from Nassau, Bahamas, y'all. Check it out. Okay, welcome. If you are chatting, let me see if I can figure out how I can see the comments. Oh, I can't see the comments, y'all. So I don't know how to do that. Going using this vertical live. But we out here all the way from Nassau, Bahamas. Happy Sunday from your girl T. What y'all up to? Y'all getting ready to go to church? So like I was saying, tomorrow is de-embarkation day. I came all the way on my data roaming for y'all, okay? Because I wanted y'all to be able to see Nassau, Bahamas. Trying to pan it a little bit for y'all. Okay, trying to pan it a little bit for y'all. But that's what we looking like. That's what we looking like. All right. So yeah, I'm on the beach in Nassau. Holla at your girl, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna end it here because I know some of y'all need to get